Yeah, I'm kind of laggy, but okay. So yeah, what's up, everybody? So yeah, today we're playing Terrified Monkeys! Biggest game ever, bro. By the way, inspired by Tag of Fear. Yeah, beta testers. Here are all the beta testers. I wonder who she. Haha. But anyways, I wonder who she. Haha. But yeah, that's all of them. Ooh, chapter 2 is coming soon. Yay. Woo. Okay, noise. Helpers? Ooh, I wonder who's that. Ha 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 ha. Honorable mention. Triple T. Bro, what is this, bro? Just play. Peak, bro. Yeah. Music's so fire. True. My controller is like low. So, yeah. Let's jump in. Let's go peek, bro.
Ow. Ow. Oh my. Why is it so dark down here? Hey, there's somebody.
Okay.
He's probably stuck down here too.
Oh my. What's up? Nope. You know. Oh, no. Okay. Okay, I just want that video, I know we go, so yeah, I put out, make a video on other game once it fully reaches. Yeah, okay, so, yeah. It's always so long, bro. Okay, so the key should be around here somewhere. Anyway, things on there, bro. Oh. Oh, that's right, bro. Good, I'm gonna start to use. Hold on. Ha 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 ha. I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a long time. I've been busy. Yeah. Hey. Go.
Oh hey, how you doing? Don't worry, I'll help you out.
Leave me alone. Greg,
Don't worry, I'll make sure I protect you from every single thing.
Leave me alone, Greg. Greg, you're mean to me, Greg. Oh, where's Greg? Holy, where's Greg? I'm scared. So he's basic. Oh, he's right there, bro. Run. I don't know how fast Greg is, bro. Oh, crap. My ears about to die.
Hey, where are you going? I'm not going with you. Come back here, you
Woo! Okay, I don't know where to go. Oh.
You fool. I will
You know what? I'm skipping this, bro. Okay, but yeah, but I'm gonna skip it because it was hard and you already saw it. But good to know that they fixed it. Like, yeah. Let's go to level 3, bro. Trust. Whee!
Whoa, buddy.
Yo,
Before
the
you
owner,
start
bro.
the game, you need to read the instructions.
Okay.
First, this game has flashing lights and loud noises.
Okay.
It's okay to proceed to the game.
All right, bet. It's the owner, bro. Trust. Yeah, look, serve your owner, bro. This game is by 0, bro. Trust. Please. I wonder who those two. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Music so fire. It's facts, bro. Okay, we were in level 2. Let's go to level 3. I forgot level 2. It's 1 time again. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Escape it. Okay, I guess this way.
Old friend, remember that kidnapper that you left me with? And now, I want to do the same thing I went through.
No, I'm sorry. Oh. Okay. I guess I have to go this way. I have to drop down. Great. Whee! Oh, I'm still falling. Oh. Now why Mason, bro?
Yeah! Oh my god. Scared me, man. Okay. Anyways, welcome to my shop. The only thing we have in stock is this glow stick. That's really old. But I'm pretty sure it still works.
Oh.
You seem like you need a glow stick.
No, of course, bro. You can have a bite, bro. Great. I'm not a pocket money, bro. I have no pocket money, bro. That's it.
Thanks for buying my glow stick. Now you're free to go. Goodbye.
What do you mean free to go, bro? It's bright, but I can barely see anything here, bro. Now why a glow stick? Well, this is creepy. Great. Come on. That's the press button. Where's the button, bro? Oh, this way. Who is that, bro? Don't mind my background. Oh.
Hey, person! I didn't know there was a person around here. But anyways, I need your help. Please, save me out of this cage. I promise I'll help you.
I wonder who's that. Ha ha ha. And I wonder who that sounds like. Ha 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 ha. Where's the button? I need to find a button, bro. Okay, button. I think that's crawler because of the screen thingy.
Thank you so much for saving me. Thank you so much. Take this walkie-talkie. I could tell you when a monster's near. Good luck there.
Thank you, Lily. I think, I can go over here. I don't know. Okay.
because she died. I think. You know why I'm fascinated in the monster? Haha. I just came out slow.
I wonder what level is this. What? Video. No, get out.
Okay, here's Tinky, or people call him Tinky Winky. All you have to do is not get caught by him.
Wait a minute.
Just try to collect all his tubby
custard.
Well, good luck.
I wonder how I knew that. Ha 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 ha. Oh, that scared me. Ain't no way a tree scared me, bro. Ain't no way a tree scared me, bro. Ain't no way. But, yeah. Tinky Winky. Oh. No, that's cursed Tinky Winky, bro. Oh, there's one by the tree over here. Alright. Oh, it's pink? Oh yeah, I forgot it's pink. Oh, there's one down there. Bet, twin, bet.
Hello there. I have been watching you for a while now, and I must ask you some questions. If you get them right, you can leave.
Okay.
If you get them wrong, though, you will die, and I will snap your neck until you finally go to hell. Get it?
Yeah.
Good. Have you seen Greg, the guy who pretends to be nice but actually wants to kill you?
No.
Hello there.
Oh,
I've
I
been
died.
watching you for a while now, and I must ask you some questions. If you get them right, you can leave. If you get them wrong, though, you will die, and I will snap your neck until you finally go to hell. Get it? Good. Have you seen Greg, the guy who pretends to be nice but actually wants to kill you? Good, good.
Good.
Will you ever leave this place?
I feel like it's reversed psychology.
Good. Will you ever die? Good, good. Who is your old best friend? Liam.
Lily. Oh, it's William.
You answered all the questions right, so you may leave.
Thank you,
If
bro.
I see you anywhere again, I will kill you. Get it? Now get the hell out of my interrogation room.
Okay, I don't even want to be here anymore. You're mean, bro. Okay, in a way, I'm having a chasing, bro. Ain't a way, bro. Ain't a way. Chasing, bro. I thought that was freedom. Run. Go. Okay, I made it, bro. I made it. Trust, I survived. Oh, that was, interesting. I don't know what's happening. Anyway, this is easy. Go. Oh, that looks terrifying. William, I'm sorry. Oh my god, he's still after me, bro. Bro, I just took the long way. Okay. On my hand. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Oh, my hands are so tired. Oh my god. Yo, that's it. Go. Okay, so yeah. That's the peakest game ever, bro. Peakest game ever, bro. Trust. So yeah, thank you, to the developers. Thank you for all of them. William, Lily. I wonder who that is. I wonder who Lily is. Okay, so yeah. I never heard of Leslie. Oh, that's weird. Bed Tasters. So yeah, that's the game. Oh, wait. Okay, so yeah. Oh yeah, Tinky Winky is there. Trust. Okay, but one more thing. Okay, wait, hold up, Trust. Okay, but for real, y'all might have y'all heard in my short that I'm making a VR game, peakest game ever, and by this the Discord link to my original server and my game server are in my bio. I might add them in the captions of this video. So yeah. And yeah, it's called Willow's Treehouse of Horror. So yeah, peakest game ever. It's gonna be peak. So yeah. It's not technically clouds, but it's like based off of it. It's basically like clouds, but like I'm not gonna use its models. We're gonna make an original yeah, basically like clouds, kind of, with summoning and monsters and all that stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be peak, bro. Trust. So yeah. This game is inspired by Tiger Fear. Right? So yeah, that's us. And what's it called? What's his name? Oh, Liam. That's William. Where am I? Oh, so yeah. Oh yeah. That's Julian in the back. Runaway. No, that's Mimic. That's Runaway. And that's Ghostly. That's Greg. Greg, how dare you try to kill us, Greg? Oh yeah, those two are Greg's. His face models. So yeah. That's when he's saying he would protect us. That's when he got mad, bro. Trust. So yeah, they forgot to add who's the voice actor of Liam. But yeah. Oh yeah, there's Tinky Winky.
Dipsy,
La la.
ho, Teletubbies, say hello.
Okay. So yeah. Peakest game ever. So yeah. Join the Discord if you want to be part of the video or for updates. And yeah. Bye. See you on the next video.
Holy, it's run away. You need to run now.
Bro, why do you fall like that? Anyway, he fell like that, bro. Oh my god. No! No! Oh, come on! Oh! No! Oh, wait.
Holy, it's
Oh, I
run
died.
away.